A loft requires a minimum of 2 sketches. For this, I just want to introduce lofted shapes. So I'm going to make a loft from this circle to this rectangle. From the Features ribbon, I'm going to select Lofted Base. For the profiles, I'm going to select the circle. Then I'm going to come down and I'm going to select the rectangle. And it's very important that I select them in roughly the same location. So I'll select it, and I have a nice shape. I'm going to right click here and I'm going to tell it to show all connectors. And here we can see from each point on the circle, it's connected to a point on the rectangle. This is the reason I broke the circle. If I don't like it, I can change these breakpoints and affect the shape of my loft. The loft would have worked without the breakpoints. To demonstrate what will happen if you're not careful when you select your shape, I'm going to right click here and clear my selections. This time I'll select the circle here, but I'll select the rectangle here. And you can see the effect it has. So it greatly twists it. So again, I'm going to clear this. It's very important when you create your loft that you select them in approximately the same location, and try to select near the end of a feature, not in the middle, because it's going to start from one side or the other when you go to the middle. So I was in the middle of this and the part has a twist. To fix it, I can grab the connector and I can drag it. And I can do this with each connector, or for such a simple loft, again, I'll right click here, clear my selections, and I'll just be careful when I select to select at approximately the same location so I get a nice loft. I'll right click to accept this, and now I've created my first loft.